If you've got a kitchen built in the last 20 years, you likely have one of these, the tiered bi-level island. It was the standard, but it's actually working against you. You see, that raised bar creates a visual wall. It cuts your prep space in half and keeps the cook isolated from the rest of the family. The revolution is simple. We're cutting the bar down, bringing everything to a single, continuous level at 36 inches. Suddenly, that cramped kitchen feels twice as large. A single level island opens up your sightlines and gives you a massive, unified workspace. Think about it. Now you have a space for holiday baking, a buffet for the big game, or even a spot for the grandkids to do homework while you prep dinner. And seating? It's much more social. No more feeling like you're sitting at a fast food counter. Everyone is on the same level, literally. This layout also allows us to move the sink or cooktop into the island without it feeling crowded. It becomes the true command center of the home. Now, a single-level island requires a massive, heavy slab. My veteran crew ensures the cabinetry underneath is structurally reinforced to handle that weight perfectly. It's the single most effective way to modernize an NWA home without moving walls. It's smarter, it's cleaner, and it just works better. Ready to reclaim your kitchen? Let's talk about your island revolution. Bella Vista Contractors. We live where you live.